Hi everybody, I'm back. Today we're going to be doing a lesson about the least common multiples. Some people abbreviate to say LCM. We have to find what the least common multiple of today of the numbers 12 and 10. We need to find some relationships between the two numbers. And then we need to dig a little further to find the least common multiple. I'm going to turn my camera around so we can see my screen, and you work with me while I work, okay? Let's go. Okay, here's what I have so far. I have LCM. We have a 12 and a 10. Okay, so when we're first looking at these numbers, what's the first thing that you notice? My first thing is I notice that they are both even numbers. That doesn't always mean anything when finding the LCM, but it is a good observation. The definition of an LCM, it's the number that the least multiple between the two. Okay? But that number can't be 0. Our least common multiple cannot be 0. To find the least common multiple, it is a process, but if you follow the process, you'll find the answer you're looking for. So let's get started. First, we're going to list the prime factorizations for each number. So for 12, we're going to write 2 times 6 equals 12. Is 6 a prime number? No, it's not. So we need to come down here and break apart 6 using prime numbers. We can say 2 times 3. 2 times 6 equals 12. 6 is 2 times 3. So far we have a 2, a 2, and a 3. Okay, I like that. Let's move to 10. I bet 10 is pretty easy. What are prime numbers that equal 10? Oh, I know. 2 times 5. 2 times 5 equals 10, and 2 times 5 are both prime numbers. Okay. Now what do we do? Now, we're going to take the highest power of each prime number that we found and multiply them together to find our least common multiple. So we're going to say 2 times 2 times 3 equals 12. Can you say that? Because this is 4 times 3 equals 12. That's right. We can say 2 times 5 equals 10. Yep, that's right. So what we need to do is we need to take 2 squared times what? Times 3. That's right, because that's our prime number. Times what is our other prime number? 5. Let's see what this equals us. 2 squared we know is 4 times 3 times 5. It's always good to rewrite your whole problem. 4 times 3. That's right, it's 12. Let's rewrite it. 12 times 5. 60, that's right. So our least common multiple of 12 and 10 is 60. Good job. Now, there's also one other way you can solve to find a least common multiple. Let's rewrite our 12 and let's rewrite our 10. Another thing that we can do is we can just go down the list of multiples until we find one that 12 and 10 both have in common. So 12 is our first multiple. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. Good job. 12 times 2 is 48. 12 times 5 is 60. Oh, wait, that's right, but let's do one more just to be safe. 12 times 6 is 72. I like that we found 60 there. Let's do 10. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. 40. 50. 60. Let's do one more. 70. So look, here we go again. We found our least common multiples doing that way too. So as you see, there are two different ways that you can find the least common multiple. Guys, I'm so proud of you. Y'all did great today. See you next time.